ChatGPT 5.4 versus Claude 4 speed test results 2026. ChatGPT 5.4 versus Claude 4, two of the most powerful AI models available right now going head to head. Which one is actually faster, smarter, and worth your $20 a month in 2026? I ran the tests. Here are the real results. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm breaking down the speed and performance battle between ChatGPT 5.4 and Claude Opus 4.6 in 2026. With countless model updates and game-changing agentic capabilities now available, these two flagship models are essentially at parity on raw power, so the real question is which one wins where it actually matters for your workflow. Let's get into the results. Round 1, Speed and Response Time. GPT 5.4 Standard delivers medium speed, while GPT 5.4 Pro is explicitly the slowest tier. Official cross-vendor latency comparisons between ChatGPT and Claude are not publicly available in a clean side-by-side format. But in my real-world testing, ChatGPT 5.4 felt snappier on shorter tasks, while Claude took slightly longer, but delivered more thorough responses on complex prompts. Round 2, Coding Performance. This is extremely close in 2026. Claude Opus 4.6 scores 80.8% on SWE Bench Verified, while GPT 5.4 scores around 80%, a gap well under a single percentage point. However, GPT 5.4 is the stronger all-around default, while Claude Opus 4.6 is the stronger specialist for code-heavy agentic engineering on large code bases. Round 3, Reasoning and Intelligence. Claude pulls ahead here clearly. Claude Opus 4.6 leads on GPQA Diamond, which tests graduate-level physics, biology, and chemistry reasoning by a meaningful margin. And this benchmark was specifically designed to resist the kind of training set contamination that inflated scores on earlier benchmarks. Round 4, Writing Quality. Claude maintains superior writing quality and brand consistency across all tested prompts, while GPT 5.4 produced slightly stronger calls to action. For long-form content, research synthesis, and nuanced writing, Claude is the clear winner. For short, punchy marketing copy, ChatGPT edges ahead. Round 5, Multimodal and Ecosystem. ChatGPT wins this round decisively. ChatGPT's flagship leads in computer use, agentic tooling, and the broader multimodal ecosystem. If you need image generation, voice mode, or deep tool integrations, ChatGPT 5.4 is the stronger all-round package right now. Here's your pro tip: don't choose between these two based on benchmarks alone. Instead, measure 3 things together for your specific use case: output quality, time to an acceptable result, and real cost. A model that is cheaper per token can still be more expensive per finished task if it requires more cleanup and editing afterward. Test both on the actual work you do every day. That tells you more than any benchmark ever will. So here's the final verdict. ChatGPT 5.4 is optimized for speed, utility, and execution, while Claude 4 is optimized for depth, nuance, and thoughtful reasoning. Neither is universally better. Pick ChatGPT if you need multimodal tools, fast responses, and a broad ecosystem. Pick Claude if you need deep reasoning, superior writing, and serious coding on large projects. Both cost $20 a month, so the right answer genuinely depends on what you're building. If this comparison helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI model breakdowns every week. And drop a comment below, which one are you using in 2026? I read every single reply. See you in the next one.